All right, who do we have here today?
It's Randy.
And
Jeremy.
what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Well, you know.
That's what I would say too. So, any last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it?
Nope. Too late now.
For me, it's always
go.
the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go have some fun outside.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Woohoo! Here's our ride. Let's get in, get up, get out, rock the skydive, grab some fun. Woo! High five. Yeah. Woo! What do you think?
That was awesome.
Pull this right one down. Yeah, bro. How you feeling? Good. Pull the left one down. All the way down, all the way around. Hold it down. Let it up. All right, what do you think?
Yeah, it was an awesome.
35 years later, now you got some free fall out of that. What do you think?
Yeah, it was awesome.
You did great, man. Come back, see me again. I'll let you pull the cord and open the parachute next time, all right?
All right. Cool.
Great
Thank you.
skydive. Thanks for jumping with us.
Okay.
Seattle, Colorado Springs. Woo!